Welcome to the online learning platform of MSBTE, Learning at Your Doorstep. I, Mrs. Rashmi Bhatia, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department from Muchala Polytechnic, Thane. In this session, we are going to discuss Unit 5 of Emerging Trends of Electronics, that is Smart World. In this session, learners will be able to understand role of electronic surveillance in smart city, surveillance mechanism in smart city, and application of smart surveillance system in smart city. We will proceed this session with the introduction of surveillance, then surveillance mechanism in a smart city. Few application we will discuss: crime prevention, traffic management, fire detection system, and natural disaster management. This is a concept map of security and surveillance under a smart city. To understand this concept, we will briefly understand concept of crime prevention, traffic management, fire detection system, and natural disaster management. Understand the surveillance. Surveillance is the monitoring of behavior, activities, or information for the purpose of information gathering and managing. This can include observation from the distance by means of electronic equipment such as CCTV. Surveillance is mostly concerned with the monitoring in a systematic way of actions or communication of one or more individuals. Surveillance mechanism in a smart city. City cannot be smart without being safe and secure. There are several factors driving the smart city development. A major catalyst for the devolution has been emerging of a state-of-art security and surveillance tool. These security and surveillance tools are surveillance cameras and sensors. There are many different types of the cameras are available, such as high definition camera, internet protocol camera. They are come in different shapes and size and different sensors. These sensors and cameras are placed on the different places of the city, as we can see in this diagram. These cameras will be capture the event and the data that is transmitted to the video analysis. Using this video analysis, the local authorities will analyze the data, and according to that, real-time alert system will be worked, and it will be informed, and the security will be taken care of the citizen. Crime prevention and response is one of the key drivers when implementing a smart city project. Real-time surveillance, that is a camera, can spot potential incidents and manage them as they happen. The network of camera has two functions. They provide critical evidence for the investigation and discourage potential criminals from committing crimes. By adding network audio, it is possible to use audio warning to deter the crime or security alert guards. In combination with the sound detection capability, the system will allow detection and recognition of predefined sound that are often connected to the threat, such as breaking glass or shouting. Especially in a public spaces, this can be useful solution to detect the dangerous situation and enable action before they escalate. Smart surveillance products can also play important role in traffic management. The smart cameras can capture the images on the roads, and whenever there is a traffic hazard, it can immediately send that information automatically to the multiple system, and instantaneously advice will be issued by the authorities, and the drivers themselves will take the alternate route to save their time. Smart city traffic management and video surveillance system can also be used for automatic overspeeding vehicle detection, red light violation detection system, automatic incident detection, video-based electronic penalty, insured, stolen or unlicensed vehicle control, and pedestrian and cyclist safety monitor on the street. Time for quizzes. Now student can pause the video and attempt MCQ of set 1. Environment can also benefit from the use of video camera and security network. CCTV recognize an early stage detection of the presence of smoke and flame. It uses video image detection to detect smoke and flame at day or night. The system is composed of algorithms that are video-based that allows IP camera and security network to be integrated to deliver a perfect all-in-one smoke and flame detection solution. This system is also equipped with alarm and pointing out exact location where the fire has started, and it automatically notifies the firefighter and local authorities. This system is also capable of sending picture images to the concerned authorities. Cameras also become a useful forensic tool for the crime investigation in case of the fire event. In smart city, authorities need to constantly monitor, measure, and manage natural disasters like flood. An innovative system can be used which combines real-time image from the cameras and forecasting software. This system is based on image processing to provide the information, analysis, and simulation about the water and the natural environment. IP cameras acquiring the images are above the water, so the system can function and detect the changes during flood. This kind of solution can give smarter tool to access the hydraulic scenario of water waves across the city and prevent possible floods through real-time update and remote monitoring. This system is providing real-time information and alert to the citizens in order to improve their safety. Project Greenlight. Project Greenlight is a video surveillance program for Detroit City in USA. This project was launched by the city in 2016. In this project, high definition camera and associated green light is installed outside their building, which sends real-time video footage to the police monitoring sites. This project is the first public-private community partnership blending a mix of real-time crime fighting and community policing aimed to improve neighborhood safety, promoting revitalization and the growth of local businesses. It also strengthening DPD, that is Detroit Police Department's effort to deter, identify and solve the crime. The city of Detroit managed to reduce crime by 50% by implementing Project Green Light. Time for some more questions. Student can pause the video and attempt MCQ of set 2. In this session today, we have seen the role of video surveillance in crime prevention, traffic management, fire detection system, and natural disaster management. And hence, smart surveillance improve safety and security, and it also provide quality of life to the citizens in a smart city. Thank you.